Hi, welcome to my video tutorials. Here we are going to see how Docker is easy and what are the difference between visualization and Docker. In the previous video, you may know like how Docker is easy in this thing. So in this video, I'm going to explain you what is the difference of between visualization and Docker. So I'm going to give you some more scenario basis. So that is what I'm trying to explain in this video. So the Docker container, how it came. So we are start from hardware basis. The hardware basis. So I need to install. I need to buy big hardware, and that top of I need to install OS. So if I want to launch some application, for that I need to make some environmental for that application. For that I need to install some libraries and bins. So it's required for multiple things to make a up and running of my server, right? So other one is like visualization. So if you have a VirtualBox, if you have worked in VirtualBox or VMware, this is the workflow of VirtualBox. So you have a laptop or hardware, and that top of you have a kernel, and that top of you are installing VirtualBox, your VMware, whatever the visualization tools. So it will interact with your kernel, and then in top of that, if you want to install the OS like pre-bundled package or box, you can import it from this place. But it will take a connection between hypervisor, and hypervisor will get the data from kernel. Finally it will launch. In Docker it's not that much process. Like in, in top of this you are installing your kernel, and top of that you will need a Docker engine to communicate and make the kernel connection, or making up and running of your containers. So if you have a pre-bundled box in the repository, you can download it and then you can import it within a minute. So it's make easy up and running of your servers. No need to wait for connecting between kernel and boot and then make MBR load. So that all things I will explain you next slide. So here like difference of booting in the VMware and containers. So normally in the system boots or VMware boots, like it will initiate from the BIOS. So I'm going to take a scenario how your VMware is booting based on some OS. You can assume like Windows or so I'm assuming like CentOS something. Okay, so I want to start my CentOS. If I'm starting here, so what will happen? So it will initiate my visualization BIOS, VirtualBox BIOS. Then it will load MBR. After that, it will take a signal from MBR to bootloader. It will initiate my OS, and then it will take a connection on kernel. On top of kernel, it will initiate my system process and what other things is required for the booting up my systems. So it will take all the connection of OS, and in top of that, I need to install application. That is a workflow of visualization technologies that such as VM. In container, you have just you need to host your application top of container. There is no other step. This is what container is so simple, because it won't take this all steps such as BIOS on this whole thing. It will take top of your Docker container. It will take directly. So in this previous video we have seen some demo on container. In this video also I'm going to explain some demo on that topic. So let's come with video session. So I'm again going to this video, this website, the labs.play with docker.com. So here I'm going to launch one instance on this. So it's a Docker container. In top of this I want to install some GUI based instance. So I'm going to use Docker or Jenkins. I like to launch Jenkins on that. So you will get to know how it's working and how easy it's paste it, enter. So see, it's try first of all it's trying to get the image from the locally. If there is no image, then it's going to check the library of Docker app. Then it will pulling the image file and files and then extracting and finally it's launching. See, you will get all the details from here. See, it's running, it's starting download metadata, and it's making up, it's giving you the password of installation things. So I'm just right clicking here and then open with new tab. So it will launch my Jenkins. See how much time it's taking within a minute, right? So this is what container things. Here we can host everything. So I will show you some more thing on this. So I'm going to stop this. So it's running in the background. Okay. So here that's all about how to make it up and running of this thing. The coming session I will explain you what are the things in the background and how it's running, and basically how to find out running containers, how to stop, how to on, how to continue with the other things. So in this thing you will have some other ideas on how to launch instance, right? How to launch some particular servers, what are the things you want, right? So I feel you will get some more comfortable with Docker.